General Awareness and Contemporary Business Scenario for KMAT Part 3. In Part 1 and Part 2, we were discussing about the general awareness. In Part 3, we are going to discuss about the contemporary business scenario. This is mostly related to current affairs that is happening in the business environment. So we are going to discuss contemporary business scenario based on the previous year question papers for KMAT. So one of the questions which came for KMAT in June 2019 was, which country has rolled out the world's first hydrogen powered train? The answer is Germany. So the world's first hydrogen train rolls out in Germany, all about it. And if you see this one, this happened in September 16, 2018. And the question came in June 2019. So we can expect the current affairs related to contemporary business scenario. At present, for if it is going to happen in 2020, we can expect in 2019 onwards, September 19 onwards. So you have to prepare current affairs for at least for 1 year. You have to be updated. Another question was, which country has withdrawn its membership from the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC? The answer is Qatar. So this particular news has come in December 3rd, 2018, and they have withdrawn from OPEC in January. So this particular news was there in Jan 2019, December 2018, Jan 2019. This was a news. So this is why I'm telling that you have to prepare for KMAT when you are preparing for the contemporary business scenario. You have to look into 1 year's current affairs. At least 1 year's current affairs you have to prepare, but mostly you have to focus on the past 6 months current affairs. So at least from November onwards, November 2019 onwards, you have to prepare for KMAT. And if you look into these two questions, this one as well as this question, you can see that this is all about the world scenario, the international business scenario. This is about a country which has launched hydrogen powered train, and this was about OPEC, Organization for Petroleum Exporting Countries. So these two are from international affairs, international business scenario. So when you prepare for contemporary business scenario for KMAT, you have to look into the world scenario, the Indian scenario, and the state scenario you have to consider. Another question that came for KMAT related to current affairs was, what is the theme of 2019 World Consumer Rights Day, WCRD, World Consumer Rights Day? And the answer was trusted smart products. So you can see that news came in March 15. March 15 is considered to be the World Consumer Right Day. And on March 15, this was a news, World Consumer Right Day 2019, the theme consumer rights everyone must know. And they were mentioning about this one. The trusted smart product is the theme for World Consumer Right Day, which came in March 15, 2019. So you can expect similar questions in June in 2020 question paper for KMAT. Also, you can expect some of the days, special days, and what is the theme for those days. There will be a question. Another question was, IRCTC has launched its own digital payment aggregator called. So this was news in February 28, 2019. IRCTC launches IRCTC iPay. Usually there were questions related to Indian Railways. They usually ask questions, one question related to Indian Railway, related to the contemporary business scenario. So you can prepare about Indian Railways, and you can focus about some of the important PSUs, public sector undertakings of India, and based on their news, mostly you can update and you can prepare for that one. Another question was, what was the India's rank in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index 2019 out of 190 countries? When this question has come in June 2019, the options were given like this, and India's rank was 77. Ease of Doing Business ranking 2019 was 77 for India's case. But at present, India is holding a 63rd position. So when you look at these two newses, you can see that this one came in October 24, 2019. So this is after this particular exam. And this particular news has come in November 1, 2018. So this is about June 2019. They were asking about that particular question is based on this particular news that has came in 2018. So there can be questions related to happiness index or peace index, competitiveness index, innovation index, like that. Different indexes are there. So you can prepare about the about related to different indexes and what is India's rank based on different reports. So you have to prepare like that. Another question for KMAT was the Rice Knowledge Bank, which was in the news recently, has been launched in which of the following states? So the answer is Assam, which came in February 28, 2019. So this was a news related to the states. So there can be, you can expect same questions like that. Some of the questions related to states in India or union territories in India, which union territory or state has launched a particular thing that you can expect related to some state news, state affairs. You can expect some questions related to that. Another question was which insurance company has launched a new micro insurance plan, Micro Bachat, which is the answer is LIC. LIC's insurance. LIC has launched a new micro insurance plan known as Micro Budget. This news has came in April 30, 2019. So this was a current affairs at that time. So this is what I told. You can prepare current affairs related to some of the important institutions or organizations in India, some of the PSUs in India, like LIC, BHEL, PPCL, like that. You can prepare some of the important institutions and organizations, current affairs. You can prepare about that. And if you look into these questions, you can understand that most of the questions came from the past 6 months. So mostly from December to April or May. That is the period that they were asking mostly about the questions in that particular period. So 6 months period, 6 months current affairs is they were usually asking. But you can expect some questions in 1 year, within 6 months to 1 year also you can expect some questions. So, but mostly for the past 6 months they will be asking mostly related to this question. So you can prepare for, when you prepare for June 2020 or 2020 KMAT, you can prepare from November, at least from November to May you can prepare for KMAT. And how we can prepare for this one, or where we can get the questions, where we can get the current affairs news. I'll show you some sites, and based on that you can prepare for KMAT 2020. You can try to prepare based on that one. So this is one of the sites which is most popular that you can expect some of the questions from this one also, this site. And so you can go to IndiaBix is one of the sites that you can prepare for this one, and you can click on current affairs. When you click on the current affairs, you will get you'll be taken to this particular window where you can see last 6 months current affairs in 2020 and 2019. For so at present I have taken, that's why it's 2020 and 2019. So it goes up to December. That's why. So you can get 6 months current affairs, date wise you can see, each month wise you can see, and each date wise you can see. And if you want to click on April 1st. What is the current affairs related to April 1st, you can click on that particular one. Or if you want to have March 14th, you click on March 14th, you will get questions related to current affairs which was happened in March 14th or March 13th or 12th, related to that particular current affairs you will get. And once you click, you will get at least 15 questions. You can expect minimum 10 to 15 questions you will get for a particular day. So if you take 6 months data, 6 months current affairs, how many questions you will be, most probably you will be you need to prepare is 180 multiplied by 10, so 1800 question at least will be there. If you can read at least 1000 question you can prepare, you can score up to 50% of the contemporary business scenario you can clear for KMAT. So this is an easy solution that you can prepare for KMAT. You will get nearly 1200 questions, or more than nearly 2000 questions you can get through this particular website. So each day you will get 10 to 15 questions. Based on that you can prepare. So if you prepare for at least you read, you will get an idea about the current affairs which has happened during the past 6 months, and that will be enough for somewhat to clear for the contemporary business scenario for KMAT. And once you click on particular day, say example April 25, I clicked, you can see the questions will be there, and once you click on the answer, you can see that option will be given and an explanation will be given. So you have to read the explanation, and then that will click to your mind, and it will stick to your mind. And if you see, I have searched the questions which has asked into June 2019 Rice Knowledge Bank. Almost all questions which has asked for KMAT, you can find in IndiaBix. So that answer was Assam. You can see that one. So they have given clear explanation for that one also. So if you prepare from IndiaBix, you can expect at least 10 to 15 questions. Surely you can get from contemporary business scenario. You can clear that one. Another site to prepare for KMAT contemporary business scenario is GK Today. There also you can get current affairs today and current affairs questions. For year-wise questions you will get, month-wise questions you will get from GK Today. And if you go to IndiaBix, you can see a link here, online test. You can click on that one, online test. That will direct you to this particular page, and you can see the online current affairs test. You can click on that one. Once you click on that one, you'll be directed to this page, and there you can see latest test, high rated test, most viewed test. You can click on any one of this one, and you can go to current affairs test. You can take that one. Once you click on the current affairs test, it will direct you to this particular page, and where you can take a test. A sample test can be taken. So total 20 questions will be there. Time will be allotted 30 minutes, and you can click on start test, and you will be directed to the window, and there will be a timer will be there, and you can attend questions. So some of the questions you can attend like this, and once you attend and after this one you can submit the test, and there will be a box so saying that total number of unanswered question 18. So since I haven't answered all the questions, so if you have answered all the questions, it will be showing no. Otherwise, if anything left, you can see that one, and timer also you can see here. And if you click on OK, it will be directed to the page like the total number of questions and 20, and answered question 2, and unanswered question 18, and one question was right. So and you will get the right answers, which was the right answer and which was the wrong answer. All the explanation also you will get, and you will get a score. So similarly, you can after preparing some months general awareness and current affairs, if you are preparing and if you are ready that year, you can go for some test. You can attend test in IndiaBix too. You can so you can self prepare yourself for the KMAT by using this, going through this particular website. That's all. Thank you.